Let us try to understand the root cause of everything is ignorance. What is the ignorance? Ignorance is also known as avidya. Then what is avidya? What is ignorance? Not knowing that God has become all. Omnipresent formless spirit is present in your form and in the form of the whole visible universe. This we are not knowing. This is the ignorance. Because of this ignorance, who we are, then we are called self. This is the small s. This is called the ego. This is called Jiv. Jiv Atma. This is the science. You should know specific technical name correctly. Otherwise we will be lost. What is the ignorance? Not knowing that God has become all. If not knowing God has become all, then who am I? Then I am called, it is self, small s. And what is the God? God is called capital S. S-O-U-L. Or you can say Paramatma. And this, you can call it also by different name, capital S, Elf. All are the synonym. This is spiritual science, it has in its language. Self means soul, soul means God, God means Paramatma. But I am having ignorance, I am not knowing that God has become all. Then what I will call myself? Then small s. Then small s, S-O-U-L. This is called the ego. This is called Jivatma. This is technical term. Do not divert from this. If you are reading so many books, you will be deviated from the real language of spirituality. Note it down. Then how to get rid of ignorance? There are two ways. We are becoming a student, kindergarten, primary, high school, university. We have done PhD. We got Nobel Prize. This is the one-way journey. That is a very slow journey, very weak. It takes million years life. This is called the outward journey, which is called the present education system. This is outward journey. Next is called the inward journey. What is the meaning of inward? We are learning science technology. From where this science technology came? From this tool. This is the tool. From this we get idea. We painted that idea. We made a model. We make machine. We discovered so many things. Therefore, instead of searching outwardly what is this, what is that, try to concentrate on self. Practice 100% love with this. You will be best doctor in the world. Dead person, you will be able to arise them. If it is important, then you will be best engineer. Not only that, you can create plants and animals and human beings and your own self. Therefore, this inward journey is called the fastest way. Something is called the fastest way, we can call it a highway. And highway is also known as Rajmarg. Rajmarg. Rajmarg means highway. There is no stoppage, no green light, no red light. And what is this in short? Kriyaga meditation. Kriyaga's practice is inward journey. They call the fastest way to reach to the ultimate truth, to remove ignorance that God has become all. Therefore, this is called the Rajmarg. Marg means path, way. And this science is called Raj Yoga. This is called the Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga means now we practice something, we get connected with the Yoga, means complete unity with God. Therefore, this whole Kriyaga science is called Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga does not mean what we read in different books. They read Vivekananda, they don't understand. They read many things, they don't understand. This is called the Raj Yoga. What is the proof? Practice you will find. This is the fastest way. Then root cause of the problem is ignorance. You cannot solve ignorance by becoming PhD, becoming scientist in chemistry, physics, medical engineering. No, you cannot be. At the last you will feel, oh, I don't know anything. But by practicing inward, you will be complete scientist. But in outward journey, we will be scientists, complete scientists. Like inward journey, it will take 1 million years of diseaseless time. Then why to unnecessarily take a long route? Why not follow the inner route? And inner route is simple because you have to concentrate on head to toe, just you have to love yourself. How to love? One sentence: accept it is presence of all in all, that's all. Within this you will find about history, about Moses, Ram, about Krishna, about Jesus Christ, about Buddha, anything history you will experience as you are experiencing your arm, as you experience your breath. Not only this, you will experience future also. At the same time, you will experience presence also, present moment. Outward journey is journey of Newton, Einstein, Rutherford, C.V. Raman. So many scientists came. This is the outward journey. Inward journey is Lahiri Mahasaya, Jesus Christ, Swami Yukteswar, Mahatar Babaji, Paramahansa Yogananda, Kabir and Nana. This is inward journey. In this there is guarantee relief. In that is not guarantee relief. If you are having your education of inward journey, automatically you will get knowledge of all outward creation. This is what is called the brief explanation, root cause of the ignorance. If let us decide again, we are in the best education system. This is the supreme education system. If you are one with that, not only will be able to solve all problems, you will create your new body. You will change your bone, muscles, heart, liver, everything. Then let us practice together.